Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Alex Warren here. I believe perhaps the first time, not sure there, but it's a big artist here, deserves to get a spot here on Gordon Guitar. So this one is called Change Your Mind. Alright, so this one is pretty much a piano-based song here, but we'll cover it on guitar, and it sounds harder than it actually is. It's pretty easy licks there, patterns to play on guitar. So let's dive into this one. To get the higher notes, we need to use a capo here placed on the 6th fret, so pretty high up, and to have the higher notes combined with easy chords as well, of course. So let's take a first look at the chords. We'll start with A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord is E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have an F as well. That's a bar chord. So place a bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have 2 more chords left. The first of them will be the GB chord. So that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord is C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so there you have all the chords. And we have the verse play here, which seems to be very hard. It goes fast, in a fast way there, fast picking, but it's actually pretty easy. 3 chords is the verse. It's the A minor, E minor, and the F. Okay, so it will have similar patterns here, starting with A minor. So grab the chord as it is. You're gonna play this for 1 round. Okay, so you're gonna play open A together with 1st B, then 2nd D, 2nd G, and back to 2nd D. And then you pretty much repeat it again, but without the bass note, the open A. So you just play the 1st B string, then 2nd D, 2nd G, and 2nd D. That's it. So once you get the muscle memory there going on, and your fingers just will go by themselves pretty much. So it will be slowly like this. Alright. Then we go to the next chord, the E minor. You will follow exact same pattern, just a different bass note now. And you don't really have to hold the full E minor. It's enough with just the 2nd D string. But for me, I'm used to hold the chords as they are, if it's not too hard. So I hold the full chord as it is, but enough is just with the 2nd D, if you wish. Anyway, hold the chord as it is, and then you're gonna play this pattern. So like I mentioned, same pattern here. Now you start with the open E string instead, and play that together with open B, then 2nd D, open G, and 2nd D. And then you repeat it, but without the bass notes. So open B only, 2nd D, open G, and 2nd D. That's the E minor. So slowly. And then finally you have the F here. Grab the chord as it is, same pattern here, and you will play exact the same strings as in the E minor, because now you have the bass notes on the 1st fret E string still. So you're gonna play 1st E string together with 1st B, then 3rd D, 2nd G, back to 3rd D, and you repeat that but without the bass note now. So 1st B, 3rd D, 2nd G, and 3rd D. The only difference with this chord is you're gonna play it for 2 rounds, alright? So A minor, 1 round, E minor, 1 round, and F, 2 rounds, okay? So slowly, 1 full verse chord play here will be and in standard tempo, something like this. All right, so pretty easy there. And then we have just pre-chorus and chorus left, and these two parts are played in the same way, and it's very, very easy. It's one down of the following chords: A minor, G, B, C, and F. And then you have a pause there, and then you just continue: A minor, G, B, C, and F. Both for pre-chorus and chorus, and there you have the different parts to handling Alex Warren's Change Your Mind. So yeah, happy to help you here, guys, and if you appreciate my help in this tutorial, please thumb up this one, subscribe if you haven't yet, and until next time, play tuned.